guys, I'm going to show you how to do a bunny hop on a mini bike. So first I'll teach you how to bunny hop, and then I'll show you a bunny hop first, and then I'll teach you how to do the bunny hop, and then I'll show you bunny hop up at their curb. Those curbs are the best because it goes from like low up high. So I'll show you one first. Basically what you're doing is you're lifting your front wheel up as much as you possibly can, and then you're popping the back end up. Once you go up, you're like kind of doing like that there in the air. So you want to practice lifting your front wheel and your back wheel. So I'll show you that now. Once you master that, you can eventually, if you want, you can try a foot jump. Once you feel confident enough, that's once you learn the bunny hop usually. So basically you're just combining the two together. So lift your front wheel up, pop your back end up. You probably land nose dive, so I try and like do less of the front, more of the front wheel, and probably less of the back wheel, so you kind of land on your back wheel instead of like this. So I'll show you on the curb now, and hopefully that helped you. A bunny hop on a mini bike. Basically the same as a normal bike, and on a scooter. Scooters just lift up basically. See you guys next time. Make another video on the piggy farm.